Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing, guys? I hope that you're having an amazing day. It's quiet, so I thought I'd finish with this set. I want to try the acrylic 3D flowers again, and also because my brushes came. So Nails by Nicole J is a nail sister that I met on Instagram, and she is a queen. She's not only a nail tech, she has her own brand, and she's, brushes, and you have to check her out. I will leave the link for her Instagram in my description box, because she does liner brushes as well, and not just the 3D slash cleaner one I have here. I will do another video where I unbox all the brushes that I got. But for this video today, I'm definitely going to be featuring my Nails by Nicole J 3D slash cleaner brush, because I need to, not need to, but it's a preference, isn't it? And I have tried 3D flowering before, and yeah. So I'm preparing the brush now. I didn't even think of doing this. I'm just literally doing this now. There is normally like a little wax seal on the brush, and it's not very obvious, but you can see some tiny little white specks, and this is how I saw Envy do it. So you just want to get all that wax off really carefully, and then I'm going to give this brush a nice monomer bath using my Bexy Glow Violet Glow monomer. So for your 3D art, you need a brush like this. And I guess this would be cool as well for marbling acrylic, but as I said, I have got it to try this out. Okay, so I'm just wiping that brush, and you can see how thin that is. Now, I don't know, I've seen some people do their acrylic flowers and then put the bling, but I think I'm gonna add my bling first, so I kind of know where I want to go. I'm not an expert like that yet. Because that pink kind of goes with this love bug. See, so and then this one maybe we can put somewhere else. Put that one there. You literally want a tiny little bit. I don't want to make it huge, and apparently you have to kind of put it down, and you want it to kind of start like to polymerize. That bead was probably a little bit wet, so I'm just going to leave it a little bit, and once you start to see it kind of polymerize, now you're supposed to kind of spread it out, right, like that. I'm gonna just be brave here and going with a little tiny bit of that pink. OMG!
I can fly to anywhere. You are, you are, that's right. 깊은 바다 속에서 널 데리러 왔어. 어째 나는 잊어버려 우린 함께한 네 모습이 보여. Well, everything 보여. Would you like to swim in the sky? 우리 멀리 떠나자. Cause baby 너 여기 밖은 좋아. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere. You are, you are, that's right. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere. You are, you are, that's right.
I'm definitely going to be practicing this because honestly, this was fun. This was really, really fun. As much as it seemed as though I was stressing, but it was really definitely fun. Because you can literally just, yeah. I think acrylic art is so cool. But just like with everything you're doing, if you haven't got the right tools, it can be a problem. I'm gonna go in with my Perfect Gloss top coat, and we're gonna top coat these babies. So this is the Milky Peach Shimmer. Now, she's so stunning. Now, this is a cover powder, by the way, I didn't say. Milky Peach Shimmer. So it's a good way to kind of avoid encapsulating using your clear, which is what I didn't want to do. So I literally only had one nail to encapsulate, which was the one I'm about to top coat. I'm going to top coat this baby. Look at Love Bug. Love Bug is a stunning color. I'm Mama Does Nails, guys, and I'm out. Please feel free to use and share my discount code at BexyGlow. It's MDN5, or you can shop via my TikTok shop if the sales are better there for you. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.
어째 나는 잊어버려 우린 함께한 네 모습이 보여. Well, everything 보여. Would you like to swim in the sky? 우리 멀리 떠나자. Cause baby 너 여기 밖은 좋아. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere. You are, you are, that's right. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere.